My name is Olivier Tartar. I'm 42 years old. I've been 20 years in Vallourec. Over 1 year now I've been working on additive manufacturing. Additive manufacturing is a fairly innovative process that automatizes conventional welding in order to build layer after layer large metallic components. To put it simply, our job is basically to print steel. Vallourec has been involved in additive manufacturing for over 10 years, but mainly for internal use such as maintenance. So our German colleagues, for example, have been repairing some toolings for rolling mills for several years. Now, since a bit more than a year, we produce parts that are meant to be delivered to customers. Those are done either in Germany or in Singapore, where we have some equipment, but very soon it will be done in France, where we will have 2 robots early next year and more coming. We have produced a sealing ring for a hydroelectricity facility in the French Alps. The ambition there was to deliver quickly and quicker than conventional manufacturing, with no compromise at all on quality. Additive manufacturing reduces the waste of material as if we just print what we need, and therefore we estimate the savings in CO2 emissions to be over 25% compared to conventional production. The idea here is to rethink the whole supply chain and take everything from a different viewpoint. 3D printing allows to change the way we have been manufacturing goods for 100 years. Why not printing on-demand large metallic industrial components? A major difference is time, where typically you would need a couple of months to manufacture and deliver a part. We will need now a few weeks to deliver the same part. This is clearly a big win for the end user, but to seize all the benefits from additive manufacturing, we will need to work closely with the customers and change the traditional subtractive manufacturing to think additive. Why would you use a 300 kilogram piece of steel if you only need, at the end of the day, a 50 kilogram part? What I like today is that we are opening new doors every day. I'm proud of the product our team has delivered so far. To be in this position, in fact, is a bit like being a Swiss Army knife. It's quite rich, quite a teamwork, no time to be bored, that's for sure.